Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about the allotropic form of the sulfur in 6A group elements, part 6, chemistry second year English medium. Today we are going to discuss about the allotropic form of the sulfur. Here is the allotropic means that the phenomenon of the existence of elements having more than physical properties or more than physical forms and having a same chemical property. It is also called as a allotropy. The phenomenon of existence of elements having more than physical forms or more than physical properties and having a same chemical property. It is also called as a allotropy. Here is the discuss about the allotropic form of the sulfur. Sulfur forming with the many type of the allotropic forms. Here is the sulfur exists the more than physical forms. That is the first one, alpha rhombic sulfur, beta rhombic sulfur, gamma rhombic sulfur, black sulfur and lead sulfur. That is the different form of the allotropic form of the sulfur. Here is the only two form of the major important in 6A group elements. That is the sulfur allotropic forms. Here is the sulfur allotropic forms. There are number of the allotropic form of the sulfur. There are number of or many or more than physical properties, more than allotropic forms of the sulfur, which is yellow rhombic sulfur. That is also known as a alpha sulfur and monoclinic sulfur. That is also called as a gamma sulfur and another one beta sulfur. Monoclinic sulfur also known as a beta sulfur. Next another one gamma sulfur. Next one black lead sulfur. Next one yellow sulfurs. That is the different allotropic form of the sulfur. But here is the alpha yellow rhombic sulfur and monoclinic sulfur, that is also known as the alpha sulfur, and beta sulfur is the most important in allotropic form of the sulfur. Alpha sulfur also called as a yellow rhombic sulfur and monoclinic sulfur also called as a beta sulfur, and alpha sulfur and beta sulfur is the most important in allotropic form of the sulfur. First one is the rhombic sulfur or alpha sulfur. It is also called as a yellow rhombic sulfur or alpha sulfur. It is a yellow color. It is exist as a yellow color having a melting point of 385.8 kelvins and specific gravity 2.06. Alpha rhombic sulfur exists or alpha sulfur exists as a yellow color and having a melting point of 385.8 kelvins and specific gravity 2.06. And another one, it is soluble in water, alpha rhombic sulfur. Alpha rhombic sulfur is soluble in water but dissolved in some existence of benzene and alcohol and ethers. Here is it is soluble only ethers and dissolve some of the existence of the organic compound like that benzene, alcohol and ethers. Here is the alpha sulfur. Alpha sulfur is the yellow color and having a melting points and specific gravity. Next another point, it is insoluble in water, does not dissolve in water, or insoluble in water but dissolved in organic compound like that benzene, alcohol. Next one ethers. Next another one, alpha sulfur is readily soluble in carbon disulfide. Alpha sulfur is soluble in carbon disulfide, CS2 also known as a carbon disulfide. It is insoluble in water and but soluble or dissolved in organic compound like that benzene and alcohol ethers. Remaining another one, alpha sulfur is readily soluble. Alpha sulfur is readily soluble in carbon disulfide, CS2 compound. It is also known as a carbon disulfide. Next second one is the monoclinic sulfur. Here is the monoclinic sulfur having a melting point that is also known as a beta sulfur, is 392 kelvins and specific gravity 1.8 kelvins. Here is the beta sulfur, that is also known as a monoclinic sulfur. The monoclinic sulfur having a melting point of 392 kelvins and specific gravity 1.8. It is soluble in carbon disulfide. It is soluble in carbon disulfide. Alpha sulfur only soluble in carbon disulfide and organic compounds like that benzene, alcohols and ethers. Does not dissolve or insoluble in water, but here is the soluble in monoclinic sulfur or beta sulfur is soluble in carbon disulfide. Next, another one. It is prepared by the melting of rhambic sulfur. Here is the monoclinic sulfur, that is also known as a beta sulfur. Beta sulfur is prepared by the melting point of rhambic sulfur in dish and cooling with the until of the crust. Until of crust then formed. It is alpha sulfur transfer from the beta sulfur. Here is the alpha sulfur turned to beta sulfur. Alpha sulfur turned to beta sulfur. Alpha sulfur transfer from the beta sulfur at 392 kelvins. Then temperature is also called as a transition temperature. At equilibrium reaction, alpha sulfur converted to beta sulfur at 392 kelvins. But beta sulfur converted to alpha sulfur at 392 Kelvin temperature. This reaction is also called as a transition temperature. This temperature is also called as a transition temperature. Both of alpha sulfur and beta sulfurs and having S8 molecule, sulfur 8 molecule. Alpha sulfur and beta sulfur, both of having the S8 molecule. Those which have having crown structure or Fokker ring structures. Here is the crown structure. S8 molecules also known as a crown structure. That is the properties of the monoclinic sulfur and alpha rhambic sulfur. Here is the S8 molecule. Structure of S8 molecule exists as a crown structure and having the 8 sulfur atoms to form of a S8 molecule. Another one, structure of S8. Structure of S8 molecule. Sulfur exists 8 sulfur atoms. Here is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to form of a crown structure or S8 molecule. S8 molecule, that is the structure of the S8 molecule. S8 structure. Sulfur act as exist octaatomic nature. Octaatomic nature. Octa means that the 8 sulfur atoms are existence. That is also known as a octaatomic nature. So it exists as a S8 molecule. S8 molecule. Next, another one, no. Preparation of sulfur dioxide. Preparation of sulfur dioxide. Here is the sulfur dioxide general formula. Here is the general formula of the sulfur dioxide is SO2. That is also known as a sulfur dioxide. Here is the sulfur first preparation. Here is the preparation of sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is prepared from the burning of sulfur with the air. The presence of atmosphere, then form of the sulfur dioxide. Or sulfur react or combining with the oxygen to form of a sulfur dioxide. The first preparation, sulfur dioxide is prepared by the sulfur burning with the oxygen or sulfur reactor combining with the oxygen in the presence of atmosphere, then form of the sulfur dioxide. That is also first preparation of the sulfur dioxide. Next, another one, second one. Here is the, it readily reactive. It is readily reactive. Sulfate. Readily react with the sulfate, or here is also known as a sulfur dioxide is prepared in the industry or laboratory. First preparation, sulfur burning with the oxygen to form of a sulfur dioxide. And second preparation, sulfur dioxide is prepared in the laboratory by the treating of sulfide, SO3 minus 2. It is also known as a sulfide. Sulfur dioxide is prepared by the laboratory by the treating of the sulfides with the diluted sulfuric acid. 2H plus also called as a sulfuric acid. Here is the H2SO4. It is the cleaving of two ions, 2H plus ion, next one 2SO4 minus ion. That is also known as a H plus ion. Sulfur dioxide is prepared in the laboratory by the treating of the sulfide with the diluted sulfuric acid. Then form of the sulfur dioxide. That is the second preparation of the sulfur dioxide in the laboratory. Next, third one in industrial purpose. In industrial purposes, it can be prepared or produced by the product of the roasting. Here is the roasting of the iron sulfide or burning with the oxygen. Here is also known as a mineral of iron sulfide combining or burning with the oxygen, then form of the iron trioxide. Next one is the 8 moles of the sulfur dioxide. That is the preparation of the sulfur dioxide in 3 reactions. That is the preparation of the sulfur dioxide. Next one, physicochemical properties of the sulfur dioxide. Physicochemical properties of the sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is prepared by the 3 reaction in sulfur burning with the air, first reaction, and second one sulfides treating with the sulfuric acid in the laboratory, then form of the sulfur dioxide. Next, another one in industrial purpose, iron oxide or iron sulfide, that is the iron mineral. Sulfides minerals roasting with the oxygen in the presence of atmosphere, then form of the sulfur dioxide in 3 reactions. Next, another one physicochemical properties of the sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is a colorless gas with a pungent smell and highly soluble in water. Then sulfur dioxide is a colorless gas and with pungent smell and highly soluble in water. That is the first property. Here is the sulfur dioxide is a colorless gas with pungent smell and highly soluble in water molecule. Second one, here is the sulfur dioxide is burning on. Sulfur dioxide is dissolved or combining with the water molecule to form of a sulfurous acid, H2SO3. Here is the sulfur dioxide dissolved with the water molecule, then form of the sulfurous acid. That is also known as a acid series. Next property, here is the sulfur dioxide, a reactor combining with the sodium hydroxide to form of a sodium sulfide, Na2SO3. Then another one is the water molecule. Here is the sulfur dioxide, react with the sodium hydroxide, that is also known as a caustic soda. Here is the sulfur dioxide combining with the 2 moles of the sodium hydroxide, then form of the sodium sulfide, and excess of the sulfur dioxide, then form of the sodium hydrogen sulfide. Sulfur dioxide, a reactor combining with the sodium hydroxide, then form of the sodium sulfide, and excess of sodium sulfide react with the excess of the sulfur dioxide, then form of the sodium hydrogen sulfide. That is the property of the sulfur dioxide. Next one, sulfur dioxide react with the chlorine to form of a sulfuryl chloride. That is also known as a reaction of SO2. Sulfur dioxide combining or treated with the chlorine to form of a sulfuryl chloride. Next another one. Sulfur dioxide react with the oxygen in the presence of the vanadium pentoxide to form of a sulfur trioxide. Sulfur trioxide, that is the reaction of the sodium hydroxide. Next one is the reaction with the chlorine. Next one is the oxygen of the sulfur dioxide. Next another one, sulfur dioxide dissolve with the water molecule to form of a sulfuric acid and H plus ion. That is the bleaching reactions, bleaching of the reaction. Sulfur dioxide dissolve with the water molecule to form of a sulfuric acid. And another one, colorless matter react with the hydrogen to form of a colorless matter. Colorless turn to the color matter, color compound react with the hydrogen, then form of the colorless matter. That is also known as a physicochemical properties of the sulfur dioxide. Next another one, uses of the sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is used for the refining petroleum and sugar. Another one, bleaching of the wools and silk. That is the uses of the sulfur dioxide. Next another one, it is used for the manufacture of the sodium sulfide, Na2SO3. Another one, it is used for the manufacture of the sulfur trioxide. And another one, it is used for the preparation of the sulfuric acid in the presence of the contact process. Next another one, sulfur dioxide used as a solvent to dissolve organic and inorganic chemicals. To dissolve organic and inorganic chemicals. That is the uses of the sulfur dioxide. That is the preparation of the sulfur dioxide. And another one is the physicochemical properties. Next another one, uses of the sulfur dioxide.